All right, viewers, while we try to restore the connection with my colleague, it's time to also get some time to other breaking developments. After witnessing a marginal improvement, the air quality index in Delhi has once again plummeted to severe category with an AQI of 427 at 7 a.m. The prominent pollutant, once again the PM 2.5, the national capital was engulfed in a smog, with the residents feeling the chill as the cold wave conditions prevailed so far. Delhi's AQI has been consistently deteriorating due to the drop in the wind speed, making it the worst since December 2021. Being true to IMD's air quality forecast, the AQI dipped back to severe. My colleague Arzu Seth has filed a ground report from India Gate. Let's cut across.
As cold wave grips the national capital, right now I am at the India Gate and would like to show you the visuals and also update about the temperature today in the national capital. As you can see, a thick layer of smog has engulfed the very national capital. Also, if we talk about the temperature had dips down in the national capital, where we see snowfall in the hilly areas. At the same time, in the northern India also the temperature has gone down. If we talk about today's AQI, today's AQI in the national capital is recorded in the very poor category, which is 390. Also, there is some people that have come here for the outdoor activities at the India Gate. We also like to take their reactions also. मैम साइकिलिंग करने के लिए बाहर निकली हुई है, लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा धुंधलापन जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है. स्मोक कह सकते हैं, प्रदूषण और जो ठंड का फॉग होता है उसका मिश्रण. किस तरीके से आप लोगों को दिक्कत हो रही है, कैसे डील कर रहे हैं?
थोड़ा सा ब्रीथिंग में इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज ज़्यादा ही हम पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो उसकी वजह से ब्रीथिंग में बहुत इश्यूज आ रहे हैं. बट ठीक है, वी स्टिल मैनेज.
फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी आज लग रहा है कि हाँ बहुत टाइम बाद चलाया तो कुछ ज़्यादा लग रहा है.
बिल्कुल. So there you heard people in fact are there you can see a group of children who have also come here at the India Gate to indulge in the outdoor activities, physical activities, to keep their body warm, and also to be a part of the physical activities to keep them fit. Also, if we talk about, I would like to show you the visual of the other side also. If you could see, there has been a smog. The combination of fog and also the pollution can clearly be seen here. The visibility has gone down. In fact, at several places the visibility is so low that it is very tough to in fact see the visuals or see a monument. Right now we are showing you the other path. This is Kartavya Path, and you can see in front also there is a Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is even not visible. So this is the condition right now in the national capital, where the people are tackling with the two challenges. This is one is the cold wave, and other is the pollution condition that is prevailing right now in the national capital. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Ankush for NewsX.
All right, viewers, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track